Alright, happy people, it's your boy IP Lyrics, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to change your language in the Windows 10 PC or laptop or whatever you're using, but at least it should be Windows 10. Okay, so currently, as you can see, everything is in German. So the first thing you want to do is to go down here to the end here where the search is. Just type in language, and this language is in English. Just type language, no matter the language that it's that the computer is using. Just type language in English. This way you will see this first option here. You just double click and it will open up. We'll just wait a little bit, and there we have it. And now this is the current one. This is in English. Oh, this is in German, and we want to change it to English. You can see we don't have the option there now, so we need to go to here, Sprache, and down here I just roll this, and you can see this plus. You click on that, and then you want to click depending on the language you want to use. I just click United States. I just write United States in it, and it automatically highlights. So we click on this option here. Depending on the language you're currently using, it will be what will be seen here will be different, but you just click on the left one. Alright, just leave them the way they are and click on the left option again. Alright, now it's loading here. But for time's sake, I'm just gonna increase the speed here, so we don't need to wait so long for it, and after that I'll be back. Alright, now we have it, and what we want to do now, we just roll it up, and then you can see the option on top here. We just click on that. Now we have the English language there, or the language you want to use. So we do this. Do we wanna the question here is if you wanna restart the computer, you wanna do so later. So I click on later, and what happens is when you restart it, then the new language, this one you choose here, comes into play. I don't want to restart it now because then I won't be able to get my recording, so don't worry, it works. I will just restart the computer after some done. Alright, don't worry, it works. That's it. You don't need to do something else. You just close it and restart your computer, and everything will be in the new language. Have a nice day. Bless.